And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video I'm doing an update on my HORDE node position. But before we get started, make sure to visit my channel and subscribe. We're about to hit 11,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Also check out my Patreon, where I release time-sensitive information just like this project, HORDE nodes. I provided the information to get involved and buy some nodes at half the price before they launched. Let's get back to HORDE nodes. I will also leave a link under the description of this video to the previous video that I made about this project. I did a deep dive. We went over the site, we went over what they're doing. I went over the tokenomics and the roadmap. We even went over the white papers and the FAQ section. I read all this. I made a very nice video about HORDE nodes. Let's launch the app and talk about the nodes. This project was very appealing to me. They're claiming to be the first node project with price stability. They only have one plan and they call these plots. So it takes 10 tokens to create one plot, which is one node. And I was just testing out the application and I have one plot. And if we look at their FAQ, a basic plot without any scene upgrade or attachment will reward you with 0.1 HORDE per day, meaning a minimum of 300% return on maximum 300 days. This is again without any type of attachment. They're going to have NFTs and attachments to give you bonus rewards, but a simple plot earns you 0.1 HORDE per day, and each node is capped out at 300% for the sustainability of the project. If we look up here to the top left, 1 HORDE equals to 104 BUSD. In their papers, they're doing a buyback and sell mechanism to sustain that price point. Before launch, their goal was to sustain $100. I must say I've been invested for several weeks and the price does not move. So I was testing out the project and it is working very smoothly. I have withdrawn some rewards, so that's why you only see 0.425 claimable tokens. So after 2 weeks being invested, the price does not move. Currently there's 3,898 plots, and you can see my plot information here. I have one, and here are my available rewards. After January 16, 2023, this plot will decay. So they have a lot of interesting mechanisms that sustain price stability and project longevity. So in order to buy a plot, you need 10 HORDE. You can come here to the app and go to SolSwap, and here you can enter your BUSD amount and buy those HORDE tokens. Once you get the 10 tokens, then you come back to the dashboard, and here is where you create a plot. And someone from the community created a calculator, so you can come in here and project and plot some of those returns, and that gives you your monthly printouts. Pretty cool calculator there. If you want to come, before you get involved, project some potential future gains. So they recently announced about 2 days ago that the HORDE price range will be increased based on the community voting. They do have community votes where they decide the direction of the project. Within the next 14 days, we will announce just 24 hours before price increase occurs. Retweet and like all the posts within this thread to have a chance of winning $250. So they've been stabilizing between $100 and $105. Now they will be increasing the price of HORDE by 6.66%. Therefore, the plot values will increase by 6.6%. That's pretty cool how they're able to control the price for stability. They also recently announced their Certic Audit is underway. And if we click here, it shows the Certic Audit process. It's 9% in progress. The audit is in progress, then it goes to Skynet, and then to the security score, and then Certic Shield. So they have officially started the audit process. And that is HORDE Games. I will leave all reference links under the description of this video to this project if you want to get involved. Also check out my Patreon, where I release a lot of time-sensitive information before projects hit the market. I did buy this plot during the pre-sale, so I bought it half off. I bought this plot for the cost of 500 BUSD instead of around 1,000 BUSD. Make sure to come check out my channel and my Patreon. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found this video of any value, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.